In just under 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the importance of understanding what relative weakness and relative strength is in the individual names so you can avoid taking losses in your trading. So how to determine if a stock has relative strength is what you want to do is you want to look at what the overall trend in the market's doing. So as you can see on the daily chart on the Qs, we have been trending sideways over the last few weeks and then made a gap up today on Monday, or yesterday on Monday, and then a good green move on Tuesday. So what a stock would look like if it had relative strength is you would see that over the last few weeks when the market was trending sideways, this has been trending upwards. So we know that this would be the name that we want to trade onto the long side if the market was going to bounce, which it did. And this is why you saw this move happen on MicroStrategy, is because this has relative strength. And then similar to MicroStrategy, Netflix was also trending up while the market was trending sideways. So on that Monday, again, we saw this move up as well, just like how MicroStrategy did. And then an example of a relative weak stock would be on Micron. As you can see, over the last 3 days, while the market has printed 3 upside candles or 3 bounce candles in a row, this gap down on that Friday moved sideways on the gap up that the market made on Monday. This stayed sideways, and then today was one of the only stocks that printed a negative day when the market was green. So this is when you would know a stock has relative weakness. So if we would want to avoid this stock trading to the upside while the market was moving up, but if the market was to pull back or reverse back to the downside, this would be the name that you'd want to trade to the short side. And then this would be another name that's showing relative weakness because when the entire market was basically trending to the upside on Monday or gapped up, this printed a sell candle to the downside and then another follow through candle to the downside again today. So this would be another example of a relative weak stock. And that's exactly how you can tell if a stock has relative strength or relative weakness.